Hi class, welcome to Introduction to Folklore. My name is Heidi Williams and I will be your instructor for this semester. Summer is a super fun way to take this class, let me tell you. Everything goes by really fast, but I make it doable. So let's start with my information here. Congratulations on finding the Start Here link. So here is my email address and my phone number. I do give out my phone number. I've done it for like 8 years and I've never had a student abuse it in any way. And it really helps some students feel more connected with me as an instructor, because in an online setting, it can be super hard to find that connection with your professors. So here I am begging you to please reach out to me, because I can't tell if you don't get it. I can't tell by blank faces or confusion or like silence that you don't understand. And so you really have to reach out to me and ask me questions. And I am a huge fan of answering questions and being there for my students. So please reach out. Let's go over the core, or so here's, your textbook, information, everything. Okay, so syllabus. Make sure to read over the syllabus. There are quite a few important documents here, including, so check out the folklore minor if you're interested in the minor. If you're an English major, folklore is awesome. If you're an anthropology major, folklore is awesome. If you are a history major, folklore is awesome as a minor. If you're any other major, folklore is also awesome as a minor. Consider it if you like this class. It's actually a really easy minor to get, and it's very fun. Okay, here's how I do my grading. If you have questions about how I grade the weekly discussions, here it is. Extra credit. I'm a huge fan of extra credit because I loved it as a student. So here's some extra credit that will be available throughout the semester. And here are some important documents and some important videos that I will come back to. This class is taken often by like family members or friends, roommates, etc., because it's those same people will suggest the course, and so it is very important to me that you do not copy from past course or from other students in the class. It's okay that you work together, but I can definitely tell when you practically write each other's posts. Also, please take the quizzes independently and just, be a good human, be honest. Please read over the course fees, and here's the course readings if you want to work ahead. The course readings are here for you, and lots of awesome normal information found on a syllabus, and then the course summary where it lays out the due dates. Okay, so if we go to how every week is set up, week 1 is set up kind of different, so we're not going to go to that one because it has like more pages than other weeks. So let's start with week 2. You will notice that you have 2 topics every week, and those 2 topics will both be talked about or asked questions about, I guess, covered in the quizzes. So you will start by doing the readings and then listening to these short video lectures. I get a lot of awesome feedback on my video lectures because they're short and full of information, but no longer than they need to be. So I also give you the PowerPoints and the transcripts of the lectures. So if you prefer doing it that way, you can absolutely do that. And then you'll go over the second topic for the week. Readings, lecture, notes if you want it. And then you'll come to the discussion. In the discussion, you have 2 options. You can talk about the first topic that we talked about, or you can talk about the second topic that was discussed in the week. And then you can reply to 2 of your classmates, which makes this workload, again, way easier than perhaps a 15-week course, but it's a lot of information. So that's my way of being able to navigate a lot of information in such a short amount of time and to give you a workable amount of work. And the quiz covers both topics, but you only have to take one quiz, so you're welcome. It is an open book, open note quiz, not open neighbor or open roommate, but yes. And same thing, every week is set up the same way. You'll have one topic and then you'll have another topic, and then you'll have the option of talking about either topic in the discussion, followed by giving your classmates feedback, conversation. It should be conversation. You should engage in a conversation in the weekly discussions, please. And on that note, I want to go back to an important video and requirement of the discussions, which is, so you'll answer the prompt, and then in addition to the prompt, you will have a critical thinking, I want to see that you are actually thinking about it, thinking about the topic. So you're doing outside research, you're bringing in the lecture, you're bringing in the readings, you are engaged with the material, and you're thinking about it. So you can find out more about that in the critical thinking document right here, instructions and examples. See, which I do go over in this video, so I'm not going to go over it right now, but I do go over it in this video. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Another way to reach out to me outside of my phone number through text or my email address is through this Q&A form. If you are just wanting to reach out to the rest of the class, because each discussion group only has 10 students, but the entire class has 50 students. And so if you want to reach out and have more discussion about something that you're interested in, or that maybe you saw on Instagram or Facebook or whatever, and you want to talk about folklore, let's talk about it here in the Q&A. If you have questions about any part of any of the topics or subjects or whatever, please put it here, because probably other people have questions too. So this is like raising your hand and being like, hey, question, right? So here in the Q&A form. I also copy and paste a lot of the questions that I get throughout discussions and stuff in the Q&A form, so that other people can see what kind of questions and answers are being discussed in the other 4 groups, because there's 5 groups, other 4 groups in the discussions. Okay. The final project for this class is a collection project, and we'll be talking quite a bit about that starting very soon. So if you want to go ahead and explore that, that's awesome. If you want to wait till we talk about it in class, which happens very soon, you can do that. Again, go over the syllabus, go over all those documents in the syllabus. Please let me know if you have any questions about the discussion forums, how I grade, anything like anything. And keep me posted on questions that you have about the subject material. So I look forward to this summer. Keep on top of it. It goes by really fast. And all right, I'll see you in the discussion forums.